Hello everyone. Our pitch today is on Pranisheba Shared Farming, a platform that connects urban investor to rural farmers. Pranisheba is the first and only IoT-based cattle identification, well-being monitoring, insurance, online veterinary hospital, and farm-centric e-commerce platform of Bangladesh. Oh, by the way, Pranisheba means animal care in English. Farm animals are the most valuable asset of the smallholder livestock farmers, especially the one who resides in River Island, locally known as Chor, and remote disaster-prone regions of Bangladesh. Owing to the lack of a cattle identification mechanism, insurance providers in Bangladesh have been extremely averse in offering any cattle insurance policies. As a result, the farmer had no access to finance, no technological inclusion, poor standard of living, no risk financing solution. And all of these factors resulted in huge loss and low productivity. On account of the cattle face detection technology, Adorsho Pranisheba elegantly solves all of these problems. Furthermore, we have designed Pranisheba shared farming to enable marginal people in disaster-prone areas gain financial inclusion and improve their living standards. In Pranisheba shared farming, young bulls are purchased and given to the marginal farmers who fed and reared them for 6 months before selling them at lucrative price through our e-commerce platform, the Pranisheba shop. After the sale, farmers receive 60% of the profit. So far, we have enrolled 2,500 plus cattle, registered 1,000 plus farms, and 1500 plus active users under the Pranisheba platform. Our team is made up of bright individuals and they place a great emphasis on delivering cutting-edge technological solutions that benefit underserved livestock farmers. Millions of people in the coastal region and Chor of the river in Bangladesh are suffering from the adversities of climate change. We know for sure that winning this challenge will strengthen our capacity to help these people to achieve a better standard of living. I thank you all for your time. Have a good day.